Pretty awesome, right? The one you're seeing right now is going to be an optical illusion that has been created using AI. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create optical illusions using AI. So let me just return the full screen here. And as you can see right now, I am currently inside Pika Labs. And a little tip for you guys, as you can see, I am the only one creating. I am the only creator here. I am not inside the channel. So a little tip for you how to do this. So let's get back inside Pika Labs first. And basically, as you can see, as you remember, this is how it should look like. So for us to isolate ourselves one-on-one on Pika, on that upper right corner, make sure you click on this. Right click and click on message. Once you click on message, you'll be the only one here. You'll be one-on-one with Pika, and it helps a lot. So let's try other things I've created. So you can see this is another optical illusion, and I know that you know that what is this logo right there. Let's play one more time. Great, right? So another example for you, this one right here. Perfect, right? So let's try it now. So on Pika Labs, simply type in the dash command, and as you can see, there are two prompts for actually their new updates. It's going to be encrypt image and encrypt text. So let's try first the encrypt text. And with this one, as we can see earlier, this is the encrypt text, the green one. So for the message, let's try this one. How about for now, let's go for green, or rather red. So red, and the prompt's gonna be Amazon rainforest. And this is just gonna be an example. It doesn't mean that I'm using Amazon rainforest that you need to follow me. You can do so as you please. I'm just showing you the ropes here. The important part that I want you to follow or copy is this one. Dash W and number 2. This value right here will be the value on how much the intensity of the prompt will be in there, or rather how much the optical illusion would be. So the ranges for the values is from 0 and 2. I'm just going to use the maximum for 2 and click on enter. And just wait for the finish, or rather wait for the job to be finished. Now while waiting, we can move on with the other one. For example, this one, encrypt image. Let's multitask right now. Since we already tried encrypt text, let's move on to encrypt image. So for encrypt image, I'm gonna teach you two ways. First one is using one photo, and then the second way is using two photos. So first ones, let's just use for one photo first. I'm gonna use this Nike. And then single prompt right there. I'm just gonna type in bitch horizon. Easy as that. Of course, the value we have, and let's add the label motion. This command is motion. As you saw earlier, the waves on this video, those are motions. So this ranges from 0 to 4 or 0 to 3. But I'm gonna go with the middle one. I'm gonna go with 2. So another one that I use here is camera zoom, as you can see earlier. So let's use it right here one more time. Zoom mirror, or rather zoom in. So we're satisfied with this one. Click on enter. And let's see the red thing we did earlier. So click on play. And as you can see right there, we've just created the prompt, an optical illusion that says red in a rainforest. It's minimal movement right there. As you can see, this is the only part that's moving, and it's raining all throughout. So that's the difference within if you're using motion and if you're not. That's the difference. So while waiting for the second job to be finished, let's move on with the final way of creating is encrypt image using two images. So first one, I'm gonna use this Twitter icon again, and then simply add plus one more right there. Click image, and one more time, click add second photo. So you might ask me, what is this second photo right here? So this second photo will be the reference on the first photo. Imagine them being combined. That's what we're gonna do here. So for the prompt right there, we can just reference from the prompt earlier. Again, make sure you type in ocean. And a little tip for you guys, type the prompt here as much as possible in reference on the second image. So if this is an ocean, type ocean. And what you see, of course, that's going to be water. You're good to go. And then that being said, one more time here, you'll see this option. Simply click on enter. However, you can add one more. For example, let's just say I'm looking for that font. Let me just go back right there, click on image, click on that one, and then simply click on enter. And we're good to go. And let's check first on the Nike. And as you can see right there, it's not that much of an optical illusion because we're just using one photo. That's the difference there. Again, two photos are much more optical illusional, or rather, much more higher intensity in optical illusions. That being said, let's try one more example just for the discussion purposes. Again, encrypt image. Choose an image. For this one, let's choose Nike and the ocean. Let's try one more right here. Click on image. Choose that one. Make sure for this one, click on the ocean and simply choose ocean and water. Easy as that. That being said, click on enter. Let me just check if I have some more that I want to include. For example, this one, as you can see, this is it. Click on enter and wait for it to finish. So one more example just for the sake of the discussion. Let's go back with the encrypt text. And then for this one, I'm going to type in, for example, blue. And then from the prompt, let's use another Amazon rainforest. And then make sure you have this value. This one right here. Let's use motion. And then another one, camera zoom. And that should be it. However, another information for you guys, click this one plus two more and click on font. This will determine the specific font that's going to be used on the text. So for this one, I'm going to use comics. Click on enter and wait for it to finish. Now let's see our Nike plus ocean combination right there. Let me just click on full screen and click on play. As you can see right there, there's the Nike logo, there's the motion that we're looking for. Everything's here. Everything is good to go. That being said, if you're gonna ask me, those two photos has been utilized properly. Now let's just wait for the last example and check it out. I'll get back to you once it's done. So welcome back. Our last prompt has just been finished generating and let's check it out. Let me just play it right here. And as you can see right there, every of our prompt is here. The text blue, the zoom in motions right there, and the motion command is right there. Also, as you notice here, the font comics is right here. And basically that's it. That's how you use this AI prompts to create optical illusions using AI. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.